Kakain kami, guys. Meron kami chili. Parang hindi maganda yung chili.
Zero.
Ha?
Welcome.
Distributed po. Meron kaming cooks. May cooks ka. Cheers!
Check. Yaw, ako nga pala si Grace Pan. Hindi marunong na magalit. Ako ay mabait sa mabait. Huwag lang pangit ang ugali. Dahil dyan ako binabanas. Subukan mo na magtaray. Damit mo sa'kin ay butas. Joke lang. Ako ay palabero. Mahilig lang na magpaguhit nang hindi kumikibo. Haha. Ako ay tawa lang ng tawa. Sana nagustuhan nyo at di kayo nagtaka.
I challenge you!
Baliktad, 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 baliktad.
Oh no!
Anak, ani? Ano cute din.
Meron ko dito sa pwede. Hindi ko tama. Pangit ako sa sahuin. Basta no tayo. Meron po siya. Walang mainit sa gutom. Okay.
Bisa marag akong buhok mo. Tawag Lion King. Chili. Yung pag chili, marag pong ito.
Oh no 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 no!
Ayaw! Ayaw ba? Halang tayo.
Dili kaya.
Wa.
Kinidor ka ulo. Bota mo ka pa. Kabis.
Sarap.
Gamay lang yung salad.
Mas masarap dito, no?
Gamay lang yung salad. Tapi kasi laban ng salad.
Dili man chili pa, hindi man halang.
Diinan, di tato kadili halang.
Do you have it? Do you have it? Do you have it all?
Inom na dili. Load ako.
Yung daot sa tungkol.
Pag magulan.
Oh no! Run.
Ay! Ibuwan na ba ako?
Siyempre natin ng nabili yung film. Ang Tagalog ba yung film?
Sigupin.
Siyupin lang talaga yun. Ano pa Tagalog ng ano siyupin? Sigupin. Sigupin? Higupin. Higupin. Nakakit ako. Yun lang ganyan sa gupin. Guys, we are going to drink milkshake. Wala lagi, friend, wala lagi ka diri sa ako. Ha? Wala ka diri sa ako. Kadalian mo makadilit. Ang bilis makadilit, oy.
Bayad ta o atong gi-order.
Hala, friend,
Wala na din ba na ikaw, friend?
4,000.
Ay, kulang og zero, friend. Uy, ko lang si Hero.
So,
Kasunod na lang.
drink strip. Wow, drink strip. Anong masasabi mo sa panahon ngayon, friend?
Bawal magkasakit. Possible.
Tanggalon ka na.
It's lover boy.
So,
Ay,
hindi
tanggap ko yun. Wala, biya ko yung lipstick. Marisa. Scott. Ang sabog sa'yo.
Pinaon sa friend?
Dude, crap!
Ano lang oh.
Bakit strawberry yan? Oreo chocolate daw, tapos ito,
Banana and strawberry.
milkshake. I'm here in the school and I say a lot of words here, language.
Grace.
Oh.
God. Perfect. Grace.
Tapos after we drink milkshake, we are here. Smoothies. We are here in Domino's Pizza. And our name is waiting there. Our name is there. You see,
Rose and Grace in 3 minutes and 5 minutes.
so later we can have our order. Like I will speak English with a British accent. Yeah, because I was watching British accent movie. I was watching movie with the British people. Do you know what come from?
Kung saan na country ang may British na accent na English?
In London. In London and in where I have been before in my sister-in-law. Sister-in-law.
Ubusaw
No.
to London.
I've been to London to visit the sister. I've been to London to Manchester.
Can you tell something about London?
The London have a London Eye, London Bridge.
It's falling down.
London Bridge is falling down. Falling town. This vlog is not so pickening. So shout out to all of you guys. Shout out to the highest level, to the left, to the right. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. So hi guys, we have our order now and we are going to
Wait.
because our bus is coming to town later. So we are going to eat our pizza. It is supposed to be we are going to bring home, but our bus is late.
Is late or nabiyaan?
The bus will ran away with us. So we are going to eat this one without drinks. Oh my god. That's all for today and we're going home. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel para ma-update ka sa bago niyang video. Wow!